Okay, I got everything laid out and I'm ready to do the glue up. As I go along, I'll show you how I'm going about it and some of the things I figured out how to make this work a little easier for me. So, hey, stick around, let's get it done. We're going to start with this piece right here and work our way up. And we got this block right here, so I got a block against the top. So this can't move, okay? And then when I put these in, I can lock everything in here as we go. Push it forward, lock it, and glue it, okay? So we're going to pull back. We're going to start off by gluing these two joints together. Pushing them hard to here, then glue that joint, push that all to here, and then we'll start laminating our way up, okay? Okay, I'm gonna start my glue up and get all this glued up. I got my workbench here and I got a board all the way down this side to hold this flat. That'll keep everything in a straight line on this side so I can all work this side. I put a block at the end right here so it'll block this and it'll lock here. So I can take everything and pull it to this corner and this corner, and when I do, I'm gonna have a perfect square. So that's what I'm working toward, okay? So yeah, let me get the square and double check that before we get started. How about that? I gotta double check myself there, guys. That thing had moved when I drilled that hole there. That little piece of hardwood split because I didn't drill it. I should have known better. Now, what I've got is I got this board sitting here and I got it squared to here and squared to here. So we got a perfect square and I'm gonna work everything to that corner to make it work. I got my handy dandy brush. We're going to use that to put this first layer on. I'm going to put it on this end right here, on these end grains. I know they're going to be soaking it up with plywood. I may end up wishing I'd put that paper under there before this is over. That's this way to go. Okay, we need to push this thing together here. A little bit tight that way, but not get the wrong way here. Okay, let's keep moving. No. Let's finish this right. start over there. Just gonna cover the whole thing in glue and work our way back. Oh, I haven't shot these some nails yet. Keep them twisting. Just square it back up. See what we needed. Caught my mistake here. I put a screw right in the center. That's where the stretcher screw goes. So couldn't do that. Now we're going to hit this across here with a couple. You can go down the bottom and hit a couple. one done. Well, you'll see how that works, huh? Now that's the inside where you won't be able to see. But I'm going to put the inside of it with the screws in it, because I added screws. The original plan didn't call for any screws, I don't think. But I just wanted to put some screws in and give me this side here. So I got a little cleaning up to do, a little sanding to do, but yeah, I'll make it look nice. Okay, I got as far as I can get today. I got to let this glue set up before I can sand these edges and smooth them out. And then I'll put it all together, and I got to get a sheet of MDF picked up. I couldn't get it today. This is how we're doing the latches. Bolt comes in, goes through here. There's a nut right here, it just tightens right up onto it. These will all be inside here when it gets done. But right now it's just sitting there all squared up and sitting like it is. So, hey, tomorrow will be another day, we'll get more done. But it's done got cold as a well digger's butt out here, so I'm going in the house. So y'all do me a favor. Watch out for tomorrow. We'll see you next episode. And take care of yourselves. God loves you and so do I. And hey, buy some more tools. And send me some too. Hey, yeah, I'll take it. Y'all be good, stay out of trouble. See you next time. Bye. Yeah, later.